We are now in the sign and submit section. The question is asking, are you the preparer? This is rare. The preparer is a person who you pay to help you complete this application. So you will put no because you are the applicant, and we will go next. Now we have a summary of all of the information you have typed in. You would want to take a look and make sure it is all correct. You'll scroll all the way to the bottom and hit the next button. And now, this is the part where students and parents can sign electronically. As a student, you can sign your green to the statement that is written here, and you will hit next. The button will come up for you to sign this FAFSA. And now the student has signed. Parents will do their own FSA and sign as well. If a parent does not have a social security number, they will have to print out a signature page. And in order to do that, we click here and hit the next button. And now we have an option to print the signature page. We have the information of the student up top. We have the portion where it has the signature. The student does not need to sign because an FSA ID signature was completed. Parent will sign here and date, and then this could be mailed out to the address shown here, Federal Student Aid Program, P.O. Box 7656, London, KY 40742-7656. And so you will print this, sign it, and mail it. Go to close so we can get back to the FAFSA. Once you've printed your FAFSA signature page, you will now move on to this Submit Without Signatures option, and we will hit Next. And now we have the option to submit FAFSA now. You will click that button and receive a confirmation page.